In today's video, I'll show you how you can download Suno AI songs on phone. So let's get started. So first of all is that you would want to go into your library here in Suno. So you can tap here on this library icon on the bottom menu. And now once you're here, you should now be able to see all of the songs that you have generated here in Suno. So just choose one on which one you would want to download. For example, I would want to download the first one, which is right here. So now you want to tap on this three dots on the right side. So I'm going to tap on it. And now from here, I would have these options. So in here, you just simply would want to scroll down until you see the download song option, which is this one. So tap on it and it will now be downloaded into your device once it's done processing. As you can see right here, now I could just tap here on save file, just like that. And now when I tap on that, it will now be saved into my device as easy as that. And basically just choose where you'd want to put it. So let's say right here and tap on open on the top right and it's now saved. That's how you can download a Suno AI song on your phone.